Hi, I'd like to talk today about recent projects I've just completed on cloud infrastructure, brokerage and orchestration services. A number of leading vendors participated in the research, the scope of which looked at cloud brokerage and the use, performance, brokerage and delivery of cloud services across public, private and on-premise, and the relationship between cloud providers and clients. We looked at the aggregation, integration, monitoring and ongoing management of the hybrid cloud environment across public, private and legacy on-premise, and the ability to provide a single consistent interface through a platform to all cloud services via an automated self-serve catalogue integrated with ITSM and security and governance. From a cloud orchestration perspective, we looked at the ability to manage the interconnections and interactions among workloads across public and private cloud infrastructure, the ability to provide end-to-end automation and coordination of multiple processes, policies and tools across multiple suppliers to deliver a seamless user experience. Orchestration from a provisioning perspective, to deploy or start servers, create virtual machines, acquire and assign storage capacity, manage networking, and gain access to specific cloud services, products and applications. We also looked at configuration management, consumption tracking across cloud providers, SIAM, and the use of AI and cognitive capabilities for the delivery of AI operations. I think if we look at the client requirements firstly, for cloud infrastructure, brokerage and orchestration services, it was evidently clear that there was a desire to enact a greater workload agility. Clients also needed help to manage the increasing complexity of the IT environment, where clients were working with multiple vendors based on different levels of adoption and multiple destinations of cloud, such as private cloud for regulatory reasons or public cloud, where the orchestration of services and the seamless management of IT is key to enable greater workload agility. Clients want to accelerate the replacement of traditional data center with cloud. They want to improve infrastructure and application performance and availability. They want improved visibility and control of the hybrid cloud environment. And importantly, the ability to manage multi-cloud services through a single pane glass and dashboard. And using Brokerage to provide cloud services across all departments. The ability to blend private, public and cloud managed services with existing on-premise IT. Clients almost want to create an always-on IT environment, and they want to easily be able to move workloads between cloud providers. I think also vendors are seeing a change in the buying profile of its clients. Where traditionally central IT would drive cloud services as a means to improve cost, they're now adopting the role of a service broker, offering self-serve capabilities to the business to provision the services they need when they want. The role of the CIO is now aligned to business outcomes and how they can provide agility for the lines of business for the clients to accelerate their digitalization. Business side buyers are now increasingly driving the adoption of cloud services, utilizing cloud brokerage and orchestration services to provide broader digital transformation, including the development of new revenue streams, the ability to scale operations and improve customer experience. And clients want brokerage and orchestration services to continually evolve and be kept current with the ever-increasing acceleration of technologies, such as containerization, CI/CD technologies. They also want support for the service provider of their choice and type across infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, business process as a service, and traditional IT, with the ability to rapidly onboard new service providers. So we take a look at some of the services the IT vendors are providing. We're seeing a very clear focus on the development of cloud management platforms to provide this single pane view across the hybrid cloud environment. We're seeing a greater use of AI, analytics and native tooling to enable greater digital transformation of IT infrastructure management. Within AI operations, the use of automated remediation and diagnostics remediation, proactively identifying and predicting key incidents, the use of self-heal, and also the use of cognitive chatbots and virtual agents. There's also a focus on providing an umbrella brokerage and orchestration capability across both the traditional data center and the cloud environment. And vendors are starting to integrate more and more the cloud management and brokerage platforms with ITSM, invariably ServiceNow, to provide this single pane view for managing across a hybrid cloud ecosystem. If we look at some of the investments, vendors are expanding broker capabilities beyond infrastructure as a service and platform as a service into software as a service. They're developing greater advisory and cloud brokerage and orchestration capabilities, in particular to support clients' digital transformation initiatives. Developing industry-specific offerings across cloud brokerage, orchestration and managed services, and embedding compliance and security capabilities across cloud brokerage offerings. So what are some of the future trends that we might expect to see moving forward? I think there'll be a much deeper personalization of services by persona within cloud management platforms. I think vendors will provide cloud brokerage as anything as a service, across infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Vendors will embed cognitive and AI-led capabilities as standard. They'll integrate tool sets across the entire cloud lifecycle, which then will enable automated assessment and planning, remediation, brokerage, orchestration, and finally cloud management. I think vendors will develop greater joint IP solutions with hyperscale providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. There'll be a greater use of DevOps and native cloud tooling to increase speed to market for digital initiatives. And the SLAs will focus on digital metrics, such as APIs created for ecosystem integration, the number of automation artifacts created, time to introduce new capabilities, customer experience management, and lower product delivery costs. I hope you found the vlog useful. Please feel free to follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn, and please access our website for our weekly updates, but also to access the research I've spoken about today in cloud infrastructure, brokerage and orchestration services. Again, I hope you found the vlog useful, and I very much look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thank you.